Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay, another pallet from Bricks and Clicks. And we love dealing with toys, so that's what we're going through right now. We got a whole nother semi of toys in, and a lot of big stuff on this pallet. About to see what we get, because I'm already seeing some good stuff on this pallet.
Yeah, there's actually quite a
Could already be some huge things. And make sure to hit that subscribe button in the corner. It is free, we appreciate it. Share us. It does help us out. And let's see what we get.
A lot of this is going to get quantity update too, which is nice. And extraneous amounts of tape.
All there ever is. Tape.
I think I might need to put weight on my Hey, gear down. Hey, I know why they used all the tape. It's holding the deer up.
Ah.
Melissa and
You know,
Doug
it's
Deluxe.
amazing how much damage this tape does to your packaging.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing, because it rips off everything.
Some L.O.L. surprises. We've been selling a ton of these.
We sell those for $100, so there's, it's just damaged packaging, but still $100. It's not too bad. Here's a brand new Barbie set right here. We got one of these already listed.
Yeah.
I don't know what we got for like $80 or something, but another brand new Barbie set, which is nice.
I was
Shit
gonna say you
happens.
might be able to send, but maybe not. Maybe just damage the daylights out of the box. What do you think? Is this L.O.L?
I'm gonna say it's L.O.L. or the Disney Princess Castle.
Did you just read that on there?
No, doesn't say it, does it?
How do you know? You said that very confidently.
Because I'm just confident in my skill set.
No. I'm calling BS. You read something.
Nope. When you mess with this stuff as much as we do, you just know things. That's what I do. I drink bourbon and I know things.
Hello. Is that how it goes?
That's how it goes.
It's the L.O.L. surprise wooden dollhouse.
Oh, perfect. So we just sold one of these yesterday for $170, and that one's gonna be new in the box like the other one.
Yeah, easy to ship. You don't have to wrap it with what is that?
It's our audience.
Crickets?
Crickets. So, brand new, our generation beachside house. So that's nice. And we sell these for anywhere from $100 to $150, especially if we're shipping it overseas. They sell for more money overseas than they do here in the U.S.
We've come across quite a few of these, and honestly, they've been missing parts or not functional. We'll have to set this one aside and kind of go through it. You think it would be worth a lot of money because of the size of the box? Not so much. Paw Patrol, missing stuff?
I think it's missing the cannon in the back. The cannon that shoots out, I think. We'll double check it. So, looks brand new. I think it may be missing the cannon back here. We might have one on the shelf that we can take it from. Besides that, it is new completely straight down,
Crap, you know what?
which is pretty nice.
I think I put one over there.
Yeah, the cannon that shoots it off, I think it's
All the
missing.
accessories.
So hopefully this is new. We sell these for $190 on Amazon. There's just a ton of freaking tape.
Oh yeah, this is original tape on this side. That's original tape too. Looks like it's just broke.
I didn't grab that heat gun. So I'm gonna say it looks like it's new. So we'll be able to we'll send that today and get rid of it. And then we have 3 L.O.L. surprise dollhouses. I don't know how you pronounce it. Chalet, probably. Chalet dollhouses.
It's the winter disco.
Yeah.
That's the way I describe it.
So we got 3 of these, and we've been selling these for what, 190?
Yeah.
$190. I think we sold 4 so far. So you know you got 2 for $600 there. So really nice stuff.
This is that grand view. Looks like it's just packaged
Just
in.
package damage. And you can look, you know, this is original tape across. You know, it's easy to tell what's manufactured tape and what is retape. So, you know, you probably got 200 bucks. I don't remember what it is, but 200 bucks. You know, you got 150, let's just low ball. So you got 350, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 950 bucks just in these 5 items. You know, another 100 bucks in our generation, 100 bucks in Barbie. So now you got another 200, and then I don't even know. Oh, and another 200 in this. You got 400 bucks.
And the L.O.L surprise.
500 bucks plus 950 bucks. That's a pretty damn good pallet.
Yeah.
1,450 bucks plus whatever that Paw Patrol, if we could find another piece to it. There was no customer returns on it, or except whatever the hell is in that little box.
Nerf.
Oh, that Nerf gun.
That was probably it.
Yeah. So
this Melissa and Doug is brand new.
So really good home run pallet. You know, when we bought it, we knew it was going to be a mixture of customer returns and new stuff, but I would say this is primarily new stuff.
Yeah, it just seems like it's package wear.
Yeah.
I mean, on all the customer returns, it's not really returns.
So pretty good. And we didn't get to do too much work on this because we already have everything listed.
Yeah, everything's. I think
already
the only
here.
thing is the Melissa and Doug. So computer work and awesome.
That's
On to
it,
the
easy
next
stuff.
one.
So, you know, right there is probably a $1,200 profit for what we paid for the pallet. So we'll get to the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, follow, all that fun stuff.
Oh, we didn't cover the deer down.
Oh, well that's not a $100 item too. Forgot about.
Depends on who you talk to. Those internet trolls will tell you it's not $100.
Yeah, we forgot about the deer. Forgot about the deer.
Schwen.
So we'll add this to one of our pallets that we'll ship out. I really think that may be why that pallet sold so well, because they had all the deers on it.
Yeah.
So we'll ship the deer out, but those are $100 at the store, and it'll help increase some profit for us. So bonus right here. That's what we got for you guys. We'll be back shortly.